You're gonna love the 2017 Acura MDX. This vehicle still has fewer than 40,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Luxurious, spacious, and powerful, the MDX is designed to meet the demands of your life in style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. See for yourself why the MDX is the best-selling third-row luxury SUV of all time. Take a test drive today.